In this video, I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, who was the first person to host the Tonight Show? Well, I'll give you the answer for this question, and the correct answer for the question is Steve Allen. And here is a bit more information about the answer. Steve Allen, a trailblazing figure, inaugurated the renowned late-night program The Tonight Show in 1954. As a versatile comedian, musician, and television personality, Allen established the blueprint for a subsequent late-night talk show. His rendition of the show integrated a blend of comedic skits, interviews with celebrities, and live musical performances. Over time, The Tonight Show has been helmed by 6 comedians: Steve Allen, 1954 to 1957, Jack Paar, 1957 to 1962, Johnny Carson, 1962 to 1992, Leno, 1992 to 2009, and 2010 to 2014, Conan O'Brien, 2009 to 2010, and Jimmy Fallon, 2014 until now. So that is the answer for the question, Steve Allen. That's the correct answer for the question.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these 3 dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.